Welcome back, IKCA. Today is Monday, August 12th. I am Ziad, and this is IKCA News Live. Now for today's top news. Today is the first day of school. Start out the year with a great day. Start to think about your goals and enjoy your classes. Friday is a spirit day. You may wear jeans with a spirit shirt or school polo. CC's night is next Thursday. Go to CC's and eat some pizza to help support the school. Today's weather is stormy in the morning and partly cloudy in the afternoon. Today's high is 91 degrees with a 60% chance of rain. Now for a few words of wisdom. Have you thought back in our hallowed halls of learning, or should I say, or how long cause of possibilities? That's what education is all about, after all. Creating new possibilities for you and the world around you. Why? Because education opens your eyes to new ideas, new ways of seeing things, and new opportunities. In Lithuania, they say, without learning, without eyes. In other words, without an education, you are blinded to your limited potential. You can't see all the great opportunities the world has to offer. As we begin this brand new school year, let's all make a promise to ourselves and to each other. Let's promise to work hard, have fun, and keep our eyes wide open to the awesome possibilities that a good education has to offer. With something to think about, this is Zia. Make it a great day or not, the choice is yours.